Hi everyone, let's start and create this presentation and see how it looks like. You see it's kind of look great. Let's see how we can create it under 3 or 4 minutes, I think. We can start by adding a blank space. In the blank space, we need to format it. From the colors, we are going to use this color for now, but you can choose any of these colors you want. Let's go with this or this, it's up to you. Okay, after that we need to create the stars. For the stars we go to shape, hold shift and control and create a star. Okay, increase the size by holding control shift and then create 3 copy of that, it's enough, and select all of them, align them center, align them middle. You see they are not in the middle. For that you need to align them one by one. It's not a huge problem, you can do it easily. Okay, after doing that, you just simply need to select them, hold Ctrl and Shift, and reduce their size. Okay, it's good. Now select all 3 of them, and we're just going to color them up. For this color, we are going to use this one, and this one, and for the last one, this one. Okay, select all 3 of them and go to shape format, give them no outline, and for the shadow I'm going to use inner shadow. Here I use another kind of shadow, but now I'm going to use inner shadow. Here I use another kind. Let's use C just. We use this shadow. Okay, after creating that, we need to copy this slide. We need to apply to all the backgrounds. Here select all, hold Ctrl and Shift to reduce their size. Okay, it's good. Now bring it down. Copy the text. The text is some text. I use Overdrive Sunset as a font and has nothing more to it. Then copy this slide, but before copying, now increase the size of this star. Now just simply we need to select these 2 stars and move them down. Move them down. Okay, here is good. Now reduce the size of this thing and paste our text. Copy our text. Paste it here. Now we need to bring this 3 to front, copy, increase the size. Okay, I zoom a lot, copy the text, paste it here, select these 2 again, and bring them to front. We must select all 2 together and then bring them to front. Copy this slide, then increase the size by holding Ctrl and Shift, then copy the last text and paste it here. Now select all 4 and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. You can see how amazing it looks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.